Bumkins Diaper Sprayer for Toilet, Diaper Wash, by Bumkins is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper sprayers products. The adjustable high-pressure spray is perfect for rinsing messy cloth diapers in the toilet before washing in the machine. No more dunk and soak. The Bumkins Diaper Sprayer is also great for cleaning up diaper blowouts or potty training accidents. Personal hygiene and toilet cleanup. Fits most standard American-style toilets with flexible supply lines. Always remember to turn off sprayer at the valve to avoid leaks. Package includes spray wand holder with clip, 47. 25 inches stainless steel spray hose with EPDM braided inner hose, solid brass T-connector, brass ceramic shutoff valve, and spray wand with adjustable lever. Convenient, adjustable pressure sprayer is perfect for rinsing messy cloth diapers in the toilet or emptying and rinsing potties. And, just adjust the pressure for gentle cleansing for use as a bidet. Includes spray wand holder with clip, 47 1/4 inches stainless steel spray hose with EPDM braided inner hose, solid brass T-connector and brass ceramic shutoff valve. Easy installation, no tools or plumber needed. Toilet must have a flexible supply line. Includes step-by-step instructions. Portable, fast and easy to install or uninstall so you can take it with you. Caution, turn off water supply to sprayer after each use. Continued water supply pressure may result in weakening to sprayer hose, valve and nozzle.